Assalamu alaikum Du'a.
Walaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum Du'a.
Walaikum salam.
How are you Du'a?
How are you, Da?
Say I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Very good.
How many surah Quran Pak?
How many surah in Quran Pak?
30.
No.
Shopping. My eat shopping.
What is this Du'a?
My eat shopping.
Eid shopping.
This is blue color.
Oh, this is blue color dress. Very nice.
It's pink.
It's pink. Very nice.
It's favorite.
It's Du'a favorite color?
My year Shifaka.
No, it's Du'a dress. It's not for Shifa.
It's Shiba.
No, it's not for Shifa. It's Du'a dress.
It's Duua dress. Multicolor.
Multicolor. Which color is this Du'a?
It's blue.
Yeah, blue. Very nice.
Blue. And then one color too.
It's blue color dress.
Pink shirt. What is ma? It's multicolor.
Yeah, it's pink shirt. Du'a Eid dress. Beautiful. Lovely Eid dress. Very nice. And Du'a, which color is this?
Grass.
Which color is this?
Grass.
No, blue color.
Blue color.
Blue color dress and pink shirt. Beautiful dupatta. It's Du'a Eid dress. It's beautiful Eid dress for Du'a.
Purple.
Yeah,
Dress.
dress.
Mama. Shirt.
Yeah, jama and shirt. And which color is this?
Shirt.
No, which color is this? It's Dua's second Eid dress. Beautiful. And it's Dua's second Eid dress. Beautiful Dua. Which color is this?
Jama.
Jama, okay. And which color is this?
Jama.
Pink and
And
yellow.
yellow.
Yeah, pink and yellow. It's Dua another dress. Another Eid dress.
Mama. Shirt.
Yeah, jama and shirt. And which color is this?
Shirt.
No, which color is this? It's Dua's second Eid dress. Beautiful. And it's Dua's second Eid dress. Beautiful Dua. Which color is this?
Jama.
Jama, okay. And which color is this?
Jama.
Pink and
And
yellow.
yellow.
Yeah, pink and yellow. It's Dua another dress. Another Eid dress.
It's my new jacket.
It's your new jacket.
Yes, it's for one.
No, it's for Dua one. It's your new jacket?
Yeah.
Okay, you like it?
I don't want to do that. It's favorite green.
Okay, it's your favorite green. Very good. It's beautiful jacket. Say Alhamdulillah.
It's rather dark star बन गई है.
Yes, इस jacket पे star बना हुआ है. It's the new jacket for Eid. It's beautiful green color. Dua say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Dua, what is this? Dua, what is this? This one, Dua. Another dress for Eid.
What's in my tummy?
This, Dua, do you like it? Which color is this?
One white flower.
No, it's Dua pouch. Beautiful.
Pouch.
Yeah, white pouch. And this Dua pink pouch for Eid. Take it, Dua. Very nice. And it's Dua fourth dress for Eid. It's lovely. Thank you, Dua.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Dua.